Right, so now we've got the canopy up, and that on its own will shield against high frequency. However, we also want to shield against low frequency, and low frequency comes from the wiring, the electrical wiring. So in order to do that, we need to earth the canopy, and this is the earthing kit with a Blocearth filter, which is the best way of doing it. And what we have to do for this is we've got two little plates here that screw together, and we want to screw one of those plates onto the bottom of the canopy, which is near the plug socket that we're going to earth to. So we'll just pop that like that. Sometimes it might be necessary to make a little hole in the fabric, or otherwise you can just screw it on. So just screw it together like that. So that is now connected to the canopy. We take the other one of these and connect it to the floor mat. So again, make a little hole in the floor mat and screw this together. That's worked. Right, so, and then with a 20 centimetre wire, we pop that into socket there, and then pop it into the socket here. So now the canopy is electrically connected to the floor mat. Then we take the Blocearth filter and just undo this. The Blocearth filter's got a nice long cable so that it can connect to a wall socket, but we'll connect that to any one, it doesn't matter, any one of the earthing plates there, or the plates there, and then we plug this into a socket and the green light will come on showing that it's working. We've plugged the Blocearth filter connection to the plate here. We plug the Blocearth filter into the electrical socket, and you see there's a green light showing that it's working, and this canopy is now earthed, and so it's now going to stop electric fields, low frequency electric fields, as well as high frequency fields. So the other type of earthing for the canopy, which doesn't include the Blocearth filter, includes a plug like this and a 1 metre cable. And what we do, you connect up the canopy to the ground or to the floor mat, as we showed you previously. Plug this into one of the sockets there, and plug this into the special plug there, and then you plug the plug into the electrical socket. So now this is all earthed as well. Now, I'll just mention at this point why we would use the Blocearth filter. And in a flat or terraced house or something like that, it's always better to use the Blocearth filter, because that stops any noise on the earth wire and dirty electricity getting back onto the canopy. In a detached house, if you don't have very much dirty electricity, you could use this one, but my recommendation always is to use the Blocearth filter.